In this video, I'm going to show you how to change display language on Twitter account. So firstly, sign in a Twitter account, then click on these three dots. In here, click on settings and privacy. Click on display language. Select your preferred language for headlines, buttons, and other text from Twitter on this account. This does not change the language of the content you see in your timeline. So select this drop down. Now select any language which you want to use in your Twitter account. Then click on save. That's it. So by this quick method, we can know how to change language on Twitter account. Thanks for watching.